Happening now, a pivotal witness is back on the stand for cross-examination in day 5 of the federal trial against R. Kelly.
CBS 2's Tara Molina live at the Dirksen Federal Courthouse, where the day is about to wrap up. And Tara, Kelly's defense today focused on his relationship with the accuser, referred to as Jane, and how that relationship did not end even when she was a teen.
Exactly, Marie and Jim. We heard earlier in this trial that the sex abuse in this case connected to those charges started when this woman was just 14 years old. Today, the defense focusing on how that relationship continued well into her adulthood. Back on the stand for cross-examination, you're looking at a sketch of a faceless Jane, called the pivotal witness in this case, with the federal charges against R. Kelly tied to a relationship with her that she says started when she was 12 or 13, turning sexual by 14, including threesomes with underage girls and adult women. Sex acts recorded by Kelly, part of evidence in this trial and testimony today. 37 now. R. Kelly's defense questioned Jane repeatedly about her relationship with Kelly and documented contact between them all the way up to January of 2019. Kelly's attorney confirming Jane lived with Kelly and his wife in her early 20s, the three of them sexually involved. The financial help she received from Kelly after ending things and moving out at 26. Intimate times together after the breakup. And finally, going over friendly text message exchanges between Jane and Kelly from 2018 and 2019, including texts Jane sent before and after the docuseries Surviving R. Kelly was released in January 2019. Asking directly, after all these years and a continued relationship, why she's coming forward and testifying now. Jane said at one point, "I no longer wanted to carry his lies." Remember, both Jane and her parents lied under oath, denying the sex abuse back in the 2008 trial where Kelly was acquitted. Jane and her parents were granted immunity in this trial, but her father has since passed away. When pushed by Kelly's attorneys on the possibility of restitution paid to her should Kelly be convicted, Jane said restitution didn't weigh into her decision to testify and has not decided on whether to seek restitution. They played some of the sex tapes behind the child pornography charges in this case in court today. Only the jury could see them. More on that coming up in our report at 6. For now, reporting live inside the Dirksen Federal Courthouse, I'm Tara Molina, CBS 2 News.